Hello and welcome back to Homegrown Theatre Camp's winter show. I'm your director Mackenzie, and today in rehearsal we will create props and costumes for the Mitten and put it all together in a dress rehearsal. We'll share some crafts and tutorials with you that you can use to add tech to your performance. The first tech element that we'll be looking at is props. My buddy Chandler will show us how to create a bundle of sticks and the baby fox props for the Mitten.
Hey everybody, it's me, Chandler. We're out at our local park here today collecting some sticks for our bundle of firewood. You're going to be collecting sticks that are about this size. You can make a good fist with it. You don't want them to be too long either because we want the prop to still be workable. We're going to collect some sticks and we'll be right back. Now we're back inside where it's nice and warm. We've got all of our sticks here. We've got some twine, and we're going to be able to construct our bundle of firewood. So here we are. I'm at the fireplace so we don't make too much of a mess. It'd be easily swept off after we're all cleaned up. We've got our bundle of sticks, and we've got 2 lengths of twine that we've cut. We got quite a bit of twine. It's better to go longer, but don't cut too much. So lay out our sticks, and we've laid our twine underneath them. You're going to bundle very tightly, as tight as you can, and tie a neat little bow. You're going to do the same on the other side. Nice and easy. Just like that, you've got your bundle of firewood. Hi everybody, it's me, Chandler. I'm back again with another prop tutorial. Today, we're gonna be going over swaddling our baby fox. Now, the first thing you're gonna need is a big square piece of fabric. I'm using a pillowcase that I've turned inside out. If you don't have anything that's square, get something as close as you can, and you can fold your fabric into the shape of a square, and it'll work mostly in the same way. The next thing you'll need is your prop baby. I am using one of my dog's favorite toy cows, which I'm sure they are not very happy about. We'll set him aside for just a moment. The first thing we're gonna do when making our swaddle is we are gonna take the top, the corner farthest away from you, and fold in. Not too far, but still a good amount. Now, we're gonna place our baby. When you place the baby, you want to make sure that the head is about halfway onto the corner because you still want the head to be supported by the swaddle. The first step is to take with your right hand, left in the video, one corner over and tuck it tight in there, nice and tight. You take your bottom and pull it up and fold over. Nice and easy, and you have a warm baby.
Next we'll see how to create a basket and the most important costume piece, the Mitten. For those we go to Karina.
So I heard you want to make a basket. Here's what you'll need: a stapler, a pencil, a glue stick, a ruler, some scissors, and 2 pieces of 12-inch cardstock paper. You're going to need 8 1.5 centimeter strips. You will do this by marking one side of the paper to the other, connecting that with a line. It should look something like this. When you've done that to both pieces of paper, cut them out and you will be left with strips. Lay your first colors out like this, and then weave your second color in, over, under, and alternate until all of the colors are woven into one another. Once you're finished weaving, it should look something like this. Then you're going to take your glue and glue these 4 corners to hold the edges in place. Once your glue is dried, gather all these edge pieces together and staple them. You're going to do this to all 4 sides. Once your basket looks like this, take your scrap paper and cut 2 strips of your preferred size. These will be the handles for your basket. Staple them. Once you got your handles stapled, now you have a basket for all your carrying needs. So you want to make a mitten. Here's what you'll need. 2 pieces of felt or foam, scissors, a marker, tacky glue if you're using felt, Elmer's glue if you're using foam, and decorations if you'd like. First, stack your felt evenly. Put your hand down near the top of the felt, leaving plenty of room at the bottom. Take your marker and outline your hand in a mitten shape. When you are finished with that, draw 2 lines straight down. Should look something like this. Cut out both pieces at the same time. Once the pieces are cut out, they should look something like this. To avoid the marker lines, simply flip them around so the marker lines are on the inside. Now you're ready to glue. Do not glue this part quite yet. Start about right here and run a line of glue all the way around and squish it together. Now for the base. Fold this up. Draw a glue rectangle and squish. Do this on both sides. After you are done gluing a glue rectangle on both sides, take something heavy, preferably a book, and squish the whole thing. Wait till it dries. Once it's dry, it should look something like this. We added some decorations, but those are up to you.
Have fun making these tech elements. You can also take more time to create other props or costumes for your performance. Once you have everything you like for your performance, you can combine that into a dress rehearsal, and then, when that's done, you can invite your family and perform your show at home. It's been great exploring the story of the mitten, rehearsing the play, and putting it all together. Now you have everything you need to put on a great performance. You've got this, and break a leg. Thank you for watching Homegrown Theatre Camp. You can download the script and activity sheets for free from our website. This camp was made in partnership with Beyond School Bells.